Yeah, my name is Soren Olsen, and I'm the subgroup manager for the Arco Nordic group. And that means I'm responsible for Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and then the 3 Baltic countries. And as Arco, we are represented in all these countries. Yeah, I think in the Danish market, Hygiene First has been received quite well. I think we are in only the start of a long process, where I hope that will give us very growing sales over the years to come. I think in the Danish industry, it has not been so hygienic in the past. And I have been personally more than 20 years in food processing before joining Arco. And I have seen many food processing plants where the hygienic aspect was not taken into consideration. But I think we are in the start of a wave upwards with this topic, and it has been in general well perceived. I think, as I tried to say before, the awareness is increasing. We had an extreme case in Denmark here 2 years ago, where there was a food processing plant making sliced meat, which we put on our bread, and they had a contamination of listeria, actually coming from the poor drainage. And what that caused was that their products were sold into hospitals. And in hospitals, of course, you have people who just had an operation and because of that are quite weak. And we had 16 death cases in Denmark from that one source. And I think that has increased the awareness tremendously over the last couple of years. The trends I see is what we also see here in the exhibition. You see more specialty cheeses, as an example. So you see more who are maybe producing smaller batches of special products. And that needs some more flexible processing equipment. And I think also that could mean something to us with our drainage systems. That these more flexible plants need to be cleaned more often and so on, because they go to some different products. So that's at least one of the trends we see. Yeah, what we are trying to do is we are trying to work closely with the eHedge, who are also here at this exhibition with their congress. And then we are trying to create proof of what we are saying. And it's easy to say that corners need to be rounded and minimum 3 millimeter radius. But some people might think that's only theory. And therefore we are trying with tests and real life tests to prove that our statements are correct. I think the market perceive it well and perceive us as a very serious player in the market, who are not just coming with a claim, but who put something behind the claim and who are willing to invest into proving that the claim is right.